Once upon a time, in a peaceful little village nestled between the mountains and a sparkling blue sea, there was a curious coalition known as the Paws Patrol. This special team was made up of the bravest and most adventurous animals, each with a distinct personality and a unique skill set. The leader of the Paws Patrol was Captain Whiskers, a wise and noble tabby cat with a knack for strategy and a heart full of courage. Captain Whiskers believed in kindness and cooperation and was always ready to help those in need. His first mate was Rocky the raccoon, who had an unbelievable talent for using tools and recycling materials. Rocky could fix anything and invent incredible contraptions in the blink of an eye. Rocket, the speedy bunny, was their messenger, able to zip across fields and hop through forests faster than the eye could see. She was swift and agile, with a heart as pure as her snowy white fur. Then there was Benny the bear, strong and gentle, often seen carrying supplies and offering cuddly embraces to comfort any troubled hearts. Benny was everyone's friend, and his strength was unmatched by any in the village. Finally, we have Flick the sly fox, who was an expert in exploring secret paths and hidden locations, an invaluable skill when one needed to find solutions to puzzling situations. The Paws Patrol spent their days solving mysteries and helping their fellow villagers with everyday problems. Whether it was guiding ducks safely across the street, fixing broken wagon wheels, or organizing village-wide cleanups, the Paws Patrol was always there. Their most famous adventure began one sunny morning when the village was suddenly covered in a mysterious fog. People couldn't find their way, crops were wilting, and the townsfolk didn't know what to do. Without skipping a beat, Captain Whiskers called his team together. They decided to split up and gather clues to uncover what was behind the peculiar fog. Rocket zoomed off to the hilltops to scout the area. Benny used his strong senses to track strange smells around the village. Flick navigated through secret pathways, keen to discover if anyone else had encountered this eerie mist. Rocky examined the machinery around town to make sure nothing was malfunctioning. Eventually, they all gathered with new information. Benny had found footprints leading away from the village, and Flick reported seeing shadows moving quickly through the fog. Rocket confirmed there was nothing unusual on the hilltops, just thick clouds coming from a certain direction. Rocky discovered that all structures were functioning properly, suggesting it wasn't a mechanical fault. Captain Whiskers, knitting all these clues together with his sharp mind, realized that the fog was not natural. It was created by a being known as Misty Marvin, the mischievous magical mole who loved playing tricks. Captain Whiskers and the Paws Patrol decided to invite Misty Marvin for a chat. In a quiet corner of the forest, they found Marvin, who bashfully admitted to having created the fog for fun. Captain Whiskers explained that, while playful, his fog was causing trouble for everyone. Misty Marvin nodded apologetically and agreed to lift the fog, promising to find better ways to indulge in his mischief, perhaps by helping the village with his magic.